gym and I don't know what I'm going to do first. So obviously let's start off with the skincare. I'm still waking up. Everything feels chaotic because the last few mornings I've been waking up and I've just been like so tired. Trying to keep it together so that I can keep some muscle mass. This is where we're at right now. Do some stuff for maintenance today. But let's start with my skincare. And I'm keeping it really simple. 4-step routine. So I had some stuff going on with my eyebrows and my skin was like, anyway, let's not get into that. It was crazy. 5-step for cleanser counts. Let me just get on with it. Lately, I've been feeling more and more that the way that I've set up my life isn't the way that I need to like do it and come into some hard choices that I don't really want to make. But the way that life has it sometimes is life will set you up where you have to make those choices. You have to stand on business eventually, right?
Short taps mean stay, long strokes mean go. Hands talking fluid when I touch you real slow. Body sending signals like a real churro. I'm locked in, baby, tapped in like Morse code. Dot, dot, dash, got you moving all in sync. Why you yelling at me when you ride it on the sink? Ain't no capping, baby girl, you already know. I'm tapped in like Morse code. Got me tapped in, cash out investments right on your back end.
The main issue that I do have is that I don't know how to clean. When I see something messed up over there that has to do with something over here, it will just flow. Do you know what I'm saying? I don't clean like one place at a time. So now I'm genuinely exhausted because I'm doing more steps. If I was just doing one place, it would be so much easier. But alas, I know I'm trying so hard, but everything is everything. You know what I'm saying? Does it have to be everything? I don't know. Ooh. Number 1. Lately, it's felt like I've been going around the same mountain. Apart from cutting down on sugar, caffeine, and reducing the visual chaos of short-form content, I've been questioning my methods recently. How I organize and prioritize is often grounded in fear and deadlines. So I've come to the realization that in itself plays a huge part in calming down and regulating. Multitasking, deadlines, it will never stop. And that's why I have to keep things simple, clear, and concise so that I can stick to a simple routine. Just like simple foods, simple decision making, and eventually a simpler life. Handed in my resignation. It feels so strange to say, but it's just something I really needed to do. I'm here in the gym and I'm going to work off some of the stress because it's necessary, but it's not easy, you know. And I had throwing this wig on. Anyway, I had to bring all my stuff with me. And I'm also wearing a kettlebell. quiet stuff today. I've been pretty consistent with everything. And for the first time, I'm organized. I think we forget how much organization makes so much of a difference to just the way that we maneuver every day. Like, I've never been in a position where I can actually take my time, think things through, and be calm about stuff, even when it's not going my way. Now, it's scary, but I don't feel like fear. It's more like excitement. I am staying grateful, and I know that this is going to be the beginning of something great. The next 6 months are going to look completely different, so much better. And I'm really excited for 2026. I think it's going to be a great year. It's going to be